If you have not watched the group stage explained, stop. Watch that first. Link is in the description. We will be here. 32 teams survive the group stage. They enter the knockout stage. The rules change completely. One match. Lose, you go home. Forever. No second chances. No group points. No safety net. Here is exactly how it works. 32 teams, 4 rounds, 1 champion. Round of 32, round of 16. Quarterfinals, semifinals, the final. The bracket is fixed. You know your potential opponents all the way to the final before you play a single match. Win your side of the bracket and you are in the final. 90 minutes. If level, 30 minutes of extra time. 2 15-minute halves. The clock does not stop. No golden goal since 2004. Still level after extra time. Penalty shootout. 5 penalties each. If still level, sudden death. One miss ends everything. No draws, no points, no coming back. Knockout football is the purest form of pressure in sport. You thought the group stage was tense. You were not wrong, but this is different. The knockout stage is where the tournament becomes something else entirely. In the group stage, a team can lose and survive. In the knockout stage, that sentence does not exist. Every player knows one mistake can end their World Cup. For some players, this is their last ever World Cup. Upsets happen. Here, favorites go home. Nobody is safe. The quarterfinals, 8 teams left. Every match now has a semi-final place at stake. The semi-finals, 4 teams. 3 matches between you and the trophy. The losers of semi-finals play a third place match. Then the final, 2 teams, 1 match, 1 champion. The penalty shootout deserves its own explanation. 5 players from each team, 1 kick each, goalkeeper versus penalty taker. The goalkeeper has to guess which way to dive. The penalty taker has to decide where to put it. Both of them doing this in front of millions of people. After 5 each, if still level, sudden death. 1 miss ends the World Cup. Countries have been knocked out by 1 missed penalty. Careers have been defined by 1 missed penalty. It is the most dramatic 6 minutes in sport. Nothing else is close. And somehow, the goalkeeper is expected to save these, with no information. In the group stage, you can have a bad day and recover. In knockout football, a bad day is forever. The greatest teams in the world have gone home in the round of 16, to an opponent nobody expected. That is what makes knockout football the most watched format in sport. Anything can happen, and it usually does. Group winners face group runners-up in the first round. Finish first, you get an easier draw. In theory, in practice, 2 giants can still meet in the round of 16. Once you are in the bracket, you cannot control who you face, you can only win. Match by match, 90 minutes at a time. Until only 1 team is left. Now you understand both stages. Group stage, knockout stage. Together, that is everything you need to watch the 2026 World Cup. The group stage video is in the description. Watch it if you have not. The game has not changed. You have. You're welcome.